Hi, this is my first live in the new Facebook group, Books Plus Business Support Network. I am Cinquanta Cox-Smith of cinquantacoxsmith.com. So, hello. It is the fourth quarter. A lot of you have came over from the original Facebook group, and I thank you very much. Thank you for still being active and being present and just being here and supporting me. I see a lot of you guys growing in your business, in your journal business, in your print on demand business, and I just see a lot of you just continuing to push and get to that point that I knew you all could be our level that I knew you all could be on. So I just wanted to pop in and give you an early Christmas gift about something that is trending right now, and I feel that you all can get into quickly, which are devotional woman journals. So I am going to basically just kind of tell you how to go about this and how you can be super laser focused on creating a devotional the right way. Okay, so I know a lot of people have sermon journals, sermon notes, gratitude journals, etc. But the key to winning in the devotional journal niche and industry is to choose one chapter out of the Bible to focus on. So if you want to focus on one of the Bible chapters or character, no, I'm not going to say character, or a person out of the book of in the Bible, it could be something like if you wanted to focus on Ruth. If you wanted to focus on the book of Ruth, you need to do the research on not only numerous, but lots of verses that include Ruth's name. So this is just an example. So it could be woman's devotional about Ruth or a woman's devotional about the Proverbs 31 woman. A lot of people are already going to do that one. So just think about other women in the Bible who you may want to talk about. Or if you wanted to do one for men, you can choose Jobs, or you can choose Matthew, or just anybody else from the Bible. But the key to succeeding in this is creating the devotional around any verse in the Bible that would cater to Ruth. Share a story, because a devotional is really a story, and it's a study and it's reflection. So once you get your verse, any verse, and let me tell you, use that online Bible app, because you can search by name and just, you can put Ruth's name in and it'll pop up and give you every single verse that has to do with Ruth, or it'll give you every single verse that has to do with any woman in the Bible or any key thing. So like if you were to type in marriage into that search button, it'll pull up every single verse that has something to do with marriage in it. So say if you wanted to do a marriage devotional and you type in marriage in I think it's YouVerse, the Bible app, it will give you every single verse in the Bible that has to do with marriage. And you can take that and create a devotional around those verses. It could be the verse and then the question, or it could be a story or anything. So when I tell you this is going to be the next big thing, and you should take some time and develop it. The key to win is developing a good journal. Do not throw it together, because you will be disappointed in yourself. Do not just throw something together. When I tell you this has to be on point, cover, branding, and how you put it together inside, it needs to be on point, because you not only want to reach women who are on your timeline, you want to reach the women who are in the church. You want to reach the Sarah Jakes. You want this to be something that women all over the world are like, oh my gosh, I have to have that devotional. So just make sure that you do your due diligence when it comes to like adding quotes in Bible verses. Again, making sure you're citing whatever you need to cite, and take your time with this. It's December 10th. Take your time with this. Make it a passion project of yours. Draw it out, post in the group, get some people to possibly look at it, give feedback on the covers. Do not send them directly to me because, look, I ain't got time. Y'all can post it in the group, though. But this is what is going to be setting souls on fire, women's devotionals. And if you do it right, you have the opportunity to make some major money. So if you are watching a replay, just remember to watch it from the beginning and see how you can get into starting a woman's devotional. And remember, that is the key when you niche it down. So focus on one book in the Bible, focus on one person in the Bible. Stop trying to get everybody in there, and then that just goes for your business as well. Stop trying to help everybody. It's just not going to work. Set your sights on who you want to work with, that small group that's inside a group, and then watch shit happen, okay? So we are no longer going into 2020 being for everybody, all right? We are setting boundaries. Yes, we are setting boundaries, and we are telling people no, and we are not letting ourselves be open to toxic energy and negative people. We are choosing who we spend our time around. We are choosing what we let in our space, and we are choosing the type of customers and clients we want, okay? So if you don't have a questionnaire and you take calls, you are doing yourself a disservice, because you can cut out 99% of the bull and BS that people try to consistently talk about by having a questionnaire. You need to know facts. How much you willing to spend with me off the back, and what do you want from me? So if they tell you they can't spend nothing with you, that call needs to be canceled, and you can send an email. And this goes back to having some type of free thing to give. So if they said they don't have no money to spend on you, you need to have that little free packet or checklist or whatever you can send to them in the meantime until they can afford to get on the phone with you. Stop getting on the phone with everybody. Okay, that went totally left to something different. But, okay, again, thank you guys for watching this quick impromptu live. I hope you guys take my advice and try to get into that niche. And that also can be a niche that doubles as a t-shirt. So take all of this goodness, start doing your research, make a list, look at what's already out there, and then go dominate, get in there and blow that shit up. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are doing well, and I just look forward to more success stories from you guys about the income that you're earning and how you are moving along in your business. So until next time, I am signing out. Peace.